Hello guys, so today we'll be talking about building a celebrity booking site. Now you can use this particular system to do different kind of things. You can choose to use it to build a booking site for any kind of profession, like writers, any kind of profession like public speakers. You can book a system, you can build a system that will be able to that people can be able to book them through your platform, so on and so forth. So we're going to be going straight into it. As you can see, this is the design of the platform. So a design like this for the building system of the platform. So we're going straight into how to build this. So first of all, your cPanel has to be available. You have to get your domain and hosting whatever way you want, whatever way you prefer. This particular template does not select hosting or something like that. Sometimes you get to see some scripts or some templates that are selective when it comes to hosting and so on and so forth, but this one is just straight up. Now, so first of all we'll go to our file manager. Now I'll be using a file here, a zip file. By the end of this video I'll be showing you how to get it. Now this is a very important disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purpose. Thank you. Now you go to your public HTML. Videos on how to get your cPanels, I've covered something like that before. Is either the link will be in the description or it will be at the top of this video right now. So right now my public HTML is empty, nothing is here. So what we'll do, first of all, we'll upload the file, the file for the celebrity booking site. So this is it. While we are uploading the file, let's go to our SQL. Let's create a database for this. So let's say database. Let's go to database wizard. Okay, so let's call this my celeb booking database. So you can copy this, click on next step. Now what you just copied, we paste it here. Then we'll copy this old one, the database name, make the database name the password, paste first and password again, paste, and create user. Don't forget, we are waiting for this to upload. Okay, it's done uploading. Let's finish creating this user. Click on all privileges, then scroll the next step. Can choose to save this or not, but it's not really important. What you have to do is to come to your notepad and paste what you just created, because automatically that becomes your database name, your database password, and also your database, that's the user also. So now let's go to where our file just uploaded. Now it's green, that means it is done uploading. So we'll come here and we'll click on so that means it's done uploading. So we'll come here and click on we extract this, right click to extract, then extract to public HTML. Very good. So everything is extracted. Now come to accounts, come to config, and the DB, edit it. So right now, remember what we saved in our notepad. We make it, just remove what we have here. Remove what we have here and replace. We just do replace. we just do replacement. You can clear it or just Control V, that's paste on it. So the next thing we have to do right now is to come to okay, we're done with this, so we'll go to PHPMyAdmin. Very good. So this is what we just created. If you can recognize it very well, this is what we just created. So we'll come here, we'll click import, choose file, then import. Let's clear this so that we can see what we have now. Let's wait for this to import. Okay, go to File Manager, public HTML. Public HTML, sorry. Let's wait for this to upload. I think this might be a network issue. Come here. So our database is done uploading. So let's come to our public. Let's go and check what we've just done. We just did one, upload our file, set up our database. We connected the database, created the database. Yeah, those steps. So far you have done those steps. You get something like this. Okay, so our pictures will load properly now. Yeah, so let's wait for it to load up. So very good. This is what we have. So you can see it has book, it has value. So this value is a button that you can change the name to anything. Now let's go to let's say let's go to the admin. So how you get the admin link is to go to account/zadmin. How you get the admin login is to come to admin in your SQL file. That's your PHPMyAdmin. Go to admin, see the email, the username, and the password. So it's already logged in here. So we'll come here and say this is how to create your celebrity here. That's create whatsoever person you want to put there. You put the amount, you put the a little bit of bio, you put the booking fee, and so on and so forth. Now you come to settings for the button. The button I wanted to explain, this is where it comes in. Now, so right now the name of the button is value. So let's name it membership. Membership. Let's save it. Now the button is enabled. You can also disable that button. So when you disable the button, the only thing you see on the button is now when you disable the button, the only thing you see is book. So look at it now. You see membership. We now have membership there. So you can change the button to whatsoever it is. It still comes to the booking system. So when you click book, this form has to be filled up. This form has to be filled up. Who are you booking? When you click into the persons, you see the person's name, see the person's picture, and see the person's bio and stuff. So you book the person with your own information. When you are done booking, when you submit the request, you receive an email that thank you for booking, so on and so forth. Then whatsoever you are using your booking system to do, you can continue with the email from there. So that's how this works. Thank you very much. To get this script, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, or you can just use the link in this bio to just get access to the file. The link will be in this video bio. Yeah, thank you very much. Do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.